Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. Your SigniFlow dashboard is the first screen you will land on after logging into SigniFlow. It's a bird's eye view of all the different types of workflows you will be working with, including pending, circulating, shared with me, and draft, to mention a few. We call these baskets. Now, let's go through all the options you have within the Shared with Me basket, which you open by clicking on the Shared with Me dashboard block. Please note, you cannot remove a document from your Shared with Me basket. Documents in this basket also do not count towards your total documents allowed. In the top left corner of your screen, you will see a Show Entries drop-down, where you can select how many table entries you want displayed. In the top right corner is a search bar, where you can enter specific criteria to search for any given documents. The criteria you can use include document ID, requested by, date requested, document name, action required, status, progress, and priority. You can use the previous and next options below the table to navigate through the Shared with You documents. To see an overview of a document's audit trail, tap on the green plus icon. This will give you a line-by-line overview of the activity related to that document. If you tap the clock icon in the corresponding row within the table, a new page will open that displays the document's full audit history, including additional information. You can download the document's audit trail as a PDF document by clicking on the Download Audit button. You can also download the document's combined audit trail by tapping on the Download Combined Audit button. This will download the audit trail, as well as the document itself. Download a document within your Shared with Me basket by clicking on the download icon in the corresponding row within the table. Open a document by clicking on the Open button in the corresponding row within the table. Once open, you can review the document in the Easy Sign interface. Finally, you can copy the table of Share with Me documents to your clipboard by clicking on the Copy button in the left-hand corner below the table. You can also download the table as an Excel document by tapping on the Excel button, or download the table as a PDF by clicking on the PDF button below the table. And that is how to use and manage your Shared with Me basket. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo, or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.